This is Moj Barry, and this is one of my Warrior Plus accounts. And you can see $430,000 in sales revenue from one high ticket program. And this is from one account. There is another 150K in another account. And this is one of my Instagram accounts, 142,000 followers, and one of my TikTok accounts, very close to 300,000 followers. Now, the reason I'm showing you all this is that all these results were achieved using the power of short videos. You see, TikTok short videos, the Instagram Reels, and other form of short videos. They are powerful. And not only us, our beginner students in our program are earning high ticket affiliate commissions using the power of short videos. Now, it sounds easy, but in reality, the moment you start camera, you feel anxiety. And the reason is simple. You don't know what to say. And on top of that, self-awareness, lack of confidence, fear of judgment, all these add up. But there is a solution. The solution is reading the script instead of spontaneous video. That comes with another problem. We don't have time to write script. Now, all the problems are solved. So this application will solve this problem. First, click the plus button, select or create a category, name your project, click create. You see, YouTube has billions of videos that you can use legally together with the power of AI. So I'm going to copy the link of this Alex Hormozis video, tap this YouTube button, paste the video URL and click generate. And in a matter of seconds, that transcript of Alex Hormozis video turned into a step-by-step standard operating procedure or SOP for us. But that's not all. It turned the SOP into an interesting acronym called POWER. So P for pick your name, O for organize your audience, W for write your offer. In fact, your brand new AI written script is ready to rock and roll. Click the save button. Now, do I want to record the video? The answer is yes. Now, the amazing part is I can use the front camera, I can use the back camera. Let's do the selfie style. So guys, I have the script ready. It's a 5-step process, POWER, power. Amazing, right? So I'm gonna record like a natural person with pauses. Let's go. Here's the standard operating procedure for starting an online business, and it has 5 steps called POWER. P for pick your niche, identify your business idea using the 3 Ps. Pain, profession, passion. Choose something you have experience with or are passionate about. Organize your audience. Determine who you will serve. People like you, people you have helped, or an underserved market. Narrow down your audience using age, gender, profession, problems, and interests. W for write your offer. Define the benefits. Well, let's keep it up to here. And now we're simply going to tap this button. Now, do you remember I've given pauses? This application will automatically detect pauses and will remove it. How amazing. Look at this. Now you can see the application automatically detected the silences. And what it's going to do is just remove the silences automatically while rendering. Now I can also decide what type of decibel I want to keep and what level I want to keep and what level I want to remove. However, let's do it quickly. Click next, continue. It will take a couple of seconds to a couple of minutes depending on your phone and video length. Here's the standard operating procedure for starting an online business, and it has 5 steps called POWER. P for pick your niche, Identify your business idea using the 3 P's. Pain, profession, passion. Choose something you have experience with or are passionate about. Organize your audience. Determine who you will serve. People like you, people you have helped, or an underserved market. Narrow down your audience using age, gender, profession, problems, and interests. W for write your offer. Define the benefit. And click next, click continue, and your final video is ready and it's automatically saved into your phone. Now you can save it and upload to YouTube or upload manually to your desired platform. But do you want to take advantage of social media and short videos by legally using other people's content? Here is your chance. Go get it.